Hi, Sarah Elizabeth here, and today I'll be doing a beginner's makeup tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be using basic makeup application that you can apply to any look. That's from a nice day look to a more elegant evening look. The steps all stay the same, you just have to change the colors. Alright, let's get started with today's look. We're going to start with a fresh, clean face that has been richly moisturized. Next, apply your concealer in the corner of your eye and along the lower lash line. Concealer is instantly going to brighten and boost the firmness of your face. Don't forget to blend out the concealer with a brush or clean hands, because this will give you a seamless blend between your foundation and concealer. We're going to finish this step off by using a setting powder to make sure that you get long-lasting coverage. If you have any blemishes, use a concealer stick in the same shade as your skin. Again, you're going to need to use a setting powder to make sure that stays in place all day. We're going to apply foundation next. Remember, foundation only needs to be applied in the areas that need it. I'm going to set this foundation with some powder. If you have very dry skin, then you can skip this step. We want to keep our faces looking fresh. Let's define and enhance our eyebrows by giving them a little touch up, and then set them in place. Here, you can just fill in the sparse areas, and that would be good enough. I like to take my double-ended brush. One side is a spoolie and the other side is actually a makeup applicator for brows. I like to use both of them to kind of diffuse the makeup that I've applied already. I'm going to apply a really light layer of this eyeshadow base primer. I have really oily eyes, so I notice that this tends to help. We're going to start with a base color applied to the whole lid, from the lash line to the eyebrow. Then we'll go in with a soft color and apply this to the lid only, and just a little bit past the crease. Grab a nice fluffy brush and blend. This will give you a nice seamless transition, so no harsh lines here. It'll look very natural. Now I'm going in with a shimmer eyeshadow in a similar shade as the neutral color we applied to the lid. I will only apply this from the center of my eye to the inner corner. This is an easy way to create some depth on the eye. Next, I will line my eyes, but I'm going to do a very subtle line, nothing too harsh or too dark. I'm going to start with a pencil. And then I will move in and go over that pencil with actual eyeshadow, just to make sure I set that liner in place. Sometimes I notice I get a lot of smudging happening if I don't do this next step. Now I'm going to put bronzer on my face. This is just to warm up the complexion, add a little depth, and make it look like you've been kissed by the sun. Since we've added bronzer to our face, we're going to pick a nice bright cheek color. This way it doesn't look dirty. Keeping the majority of the blush on the cheekbone and above. Blend this color all the way up to the hairline and then below to soften the color. Next we'll be applying mascara. Start at the base of the lash line and wiggle your way up. You can always apply more than one coat for the desired look that you want to achieve. Last but not least, we're going to be applying our lipstick. Because this is a cream lipstick, I'm using it right from the tube. If I were using a darker or maybe even a brighter color, I may want to use a brush to apply the lipstick. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed my basic makeup tutorial. I will leave a description below of the products that I used. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!